Style Chronicles. It's Vlogmas day 22 and 23 because I recorded footage yesterday of us shopping again, but nothing else. And so there's no intro and there's no really there's nothing. It's just a little blip of us shopping at Dillard's again. Because I had to go back for my dad's office staff. But anyway, today is Friday and I'm on my way into my office. And the kids stayed with their dad, which is rare because they're always with me. And so I feel so odd. I don't even have a car seat in this car. It's so weird. Anyway, let's see. I have work bag there. My purse. Seriously, I left my house in a hurry. The car was on. My husband pulled the car out of the garage. It was on. So I left the house without a car key. I can't turn this car off because if I turn it off, I won't be able to get it back on. I'm just like, oh my God, this is like gonna be the craziest day, seriously. That's where we are now. I'm parked at El Tiempo. And I can't turn my car off because I don't have keys to turn it back on. This is crazy. I filled up my car with gas so that it would not run out of gas while it's idling. And now I'm just waiting. My husband's gonna meet me here. He's gonna bring my key fob, which I can turn the car off now because I'm staying, but nobody's here yet. So I'm just waiting in my car. I was supposed to change too. The only good thing that I can say is I have a pair of heels in the trunk of my car, and my purse I always have a million lipsticks. So I can definitely add color to my face with my lipstick. I just haven't decided yet whether I want to be like super festive, like a Christmas ball, because this is a metallic lipstick and I've got these earrings on, or if I want to be dark, but these are red earrings and that clashes. Let's see the other one. Let's see what we have in there. I don't think I have anything red with me because I took those out when I was carrying a clutch and left them in there. This is okay. I have nudes. Oh my Lord, I have all nudes, like more nudes than anything else. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do nude, and I'm gonna put some powder on. It's gonna have to be nude. I have Stila's pink nude. It's called Baki. This is a pretty color. Actually, I don't know. My eyeshadow came out very red orange. No, I don't want that. My eyeshadow's too brown for that. Oh, here's a red rock. Max Red Rock. I think this is it.
Oh, you know where he learned that tech from? Richard? He does that. Doesn't he?
Did you leave the tag on as a techie? Yes, that's a dad thing.
But it's his dad.
It's because, you know, I don't know if I'm going to use it again, but I might keep it.
You're so bad.
Well,
that is awful.
I gave somebody a gift card today.
At him. I love that. That is awesome. But that's a guy cool. Can wear.
We all drink, right?
Right, I drink.
I drink.
I got a drink.
Oh, there's rules.
There's
oh
rules.
My goodness.
There's rules to the game. See in the back it tells you.
Yeah, red I drink, white we all drink, green you drink.
Okay.
Walmart came through, you know, at the last. Sometimes I play with myself. Just practice right now.
That didn't sound right.
But that's okay.
Hi.
I was like, are you lit up? But this is so
I thought it was a Christmas tree.
It's just a natural glow.
I went by Tony Mandola's. I went to the chiropractor to go get adjusted. She's right across the street from. She's across the street from Tony Mandola.
Is that where you go?
Tony Mandola.
She's the only one that can adjust me, so she's.
And their husband.
And my golfing partner, and my brother, and my daughters, and my grandkids will all be here today to celebrate Christmas.
Nice. Are the keys to get over here?
Abel is really nice.
Very nice. You look sharp with your dress shoes. What?
Yeah!
Where is he?
Do what?
What Tommy?
Who is he?
What Tommy? Papa Dutch?
He's in your room?
My room.
Yeah!
Whose room?
That's mine.
No, he's
It's Cracker. He wants to come. You know why? Because it's too cold. Cracky doesn't like it when it's cold outside. Good boy. Get inside. It's too cold, right? Too cold. Yeah. Too cold.
No, I'm going to my room.
Too cold.
Okay, I won't go to my room.
Papa Judge in my room.
I'm in your room.
Yeah.
Can I go into Eva's room?
No.
Why?
Because
Because what?
I want to sleep in my room.
Do you sleep with Eva?